Hey guys, my name is Roger and this is Jolly Roger Craftworks. On this episode I'm going to be showing you how I built this outfeed / work table. So I started out by cutting down some 2x4s to length and making a frame that's 7 feet 9 inches by 4 feet. So it's just a little short of a full 4x8 sheet of plywood. And I did that so my legs will end up being underneath the 4x8 top. Then I cut down the plywood and actually used the plywood to square the frame. So after finishing securing the plywood to the frame, I flipped it over and added 3 additional support braces. This frame was going to end up being the bottom shelf of the table. So after securing the supports on the ends, I flipped the whole frame over and then marked the locations of the supports and went ahead and added screws across the top. So I want the bottom shelf to sit 1.5 inches off the ground, so I've got it resting on some scrap 2x4s while I screw on the 2 legs. Now the other 2 legs on the other end are resting on top of the bottom shelf because that leaves me room at the end for the table saw. Then I connected all 4 legs together with the long 2x4 stringers and then put a sheet of plywood on top cut to the right dimension. Unfortunately, I lost some footage of doing this part, so this is all I have to show you. So in this clip, you can see the legs where they're resting on top of the bottom shelf to support the top of the table. And now I'm beginning to frame out the platform that the table saw will sit on. So here I'm checking to make sure that the table saw top and the top of the table are level. And then I'm adding some additional supports underneath the top. And then I go ahead and attach the plywood to the top. And that's pretty much the structure of the table. And finally, guys, I added these castors to each one of the 4 corners. These castors are pretty cool. They allow you to raise the table up off the ground just by stepping down on the lever. When you lift the lever up, it sets the table down flat. So that's it. That's the finished table. You see, I can roll it around, move it really easily, or drop the castors and have it sit flat on the ground. It ends up being the perfect outfeed table for the table saw, and it'll give me plenty of room to work when I'm not using the table saw. But that'll be it, guys. If you like what I'm doing and you like these videos, you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit like, share the video. Any of those you do will help me out, help me build my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.